Hello everyone, Amit Arora from EcoVisionaire. Today we have the last chapter, marketing, coming in the first term. Most expected questions of this chapter will be discussed today. I hope you have watched the other 5 chapters videos which we have posted on our channel. I request everyone to like and subscribe our channel. Before we start with this chapter, I would like to tell the students that on 7th of December, that is a Tuesday, we have a mock board exam for you of business studies. You can test yourself a day before the board exam. It is very easy to participate or appear in the exam. You just need to download the EcoVisionaire app and buy the exam from there at just ₹50. It will be similar to the board exam. So you can test yourself a day before your boards. So coming to the CBSE syllabus given to us in marketing chapter, we have to go for understanding the concept of marketing, which includes its features too, and then functions of marketing. Then we have these 5 marketing philosophies to be done. उसमें आती है production, product, selling, marketing and societal marketing. A very important topic indeed. We will certainly get 2 or 3 questions from this topic. Then coming to the marketing mix, the 4 P's of marketing. Then प्रोडक्ट के अंदर हमें ब्रांडिंग लेबलिंग और पैकेजिंग बहुत ठीक से करना है. एंड देन प्राइस हैज ओनली वन टॉपिक, दैट इज फैक्टर्स अफेक्ट डिटरमाइनिंग द प्राइस ऑफ अ प्रोडक्ट. सो वी आर एक्सपेक्टिंग अ क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम दिस टॉपिक. Then concept of physical distribution, and in the end more questions will be asked from the last P, that is promotion, जिसके अंदर 4 चीजें हमें करनी है. We have to go for advertising, पर्सनल सेलिंग, सेल्स प्रमोशन एंड पब्लिक PR. तो हमें इनमें से क्वेश्चन, इसमें 3 ऐसे वी हैव 3 टॉपिक जो बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. वन इज श्योर क्वेश्चन ऑन मार्केटिंग फिलोसफीज. देन second sure question which we'll get is from product, that is branding, labeling or packaging, and last one is from promotion. So I feel that these are the most important topics. Coming to questions, students, which marketing concepts main focus is on quantity of the product? Surely it is production concept. Product is quality, selling is persuasion, and societal marketing is your society and social welfare. So the answer is production concept. Which marketing concept uses promotion and persuasion as its main tool? As I told you, it is selling concept. तो सेलिंग में होता है चीज को बेचने के लिए उसे प्रमोट किया जाता है और लोगों को कन्विंस किया जाता है कि अपनी आप वो चीज खरीदें हमसे. Coming to question number 3, which the following is a characteristic of marketing? Need and want, surely a characteristic. Create a market offering, exchange mechanism, all of the above. तीनों हैं और हमारा आंसर है all of the above. Which function of marketing helps in creating product differentiation? एक दूसरे से अलग कैसे दिखाते हैं? Providing basis for distinguishing the product of firm with the competitors. So surely हम उसके नाम से पहचानते हैं, उसकी ब्रांडिंग से पहचानते हैं. So answer is branding. When a firm does not face any competition, किसी के पास मार्केट में उसके पास कोई competition नहीं है, it can keep the price of its commodity. So there is no competition, so you can keep a price high. जब आपका ज्यादा competition होता है तो your price can be low so that you can get some customers. Whereas when you don't have any competitor, your market, your commodity can be expensive. Which of the following is not a pricing objective of a company? इनमें से कौन सा कंपनी का प्राइसिंग ऑब्जेक्टिव नहीं है? ये फैक्टर्स अफेक्टिंग प्राइस का क्वेश्चन है. Obtaining market share leadership is very much an objective. Obtaining quality leadership is also an objective. Survival is also an objective. So obtaining people's praise is never a pricing objective. So answer is D. Which of the following is not an activity of physical distribution? Transportation, very much. Warehousing, order processing, yes. Packaging is not the activity of physical distribution. It is the activity of product. Tomato Limited, a food delivery service app, has recently faced criticism for the tampering of their product by the delivery boys. Tomato Limited decided to put a hologram seal on the food packets in order to protect the content from spoilage, leakage, pilferage, damage, along with a tag with safety warning for the consumer to check the seal. Which concept of marketing discussed above is the company performing function of communicating the potential buyer and promoting the sale? It is very much labeling. वो label पे लगा रहे हैं चीज, अपनी चीज वो label पे बता रहे हैं. So the answer is labeling. Statement question. Statement 1 says advertising is an impersonal form of communication which is paid for by the marketer to promote some good or services. Very much advertising यही होता है. So statement 1 is true. Personal selling is more economical than advertising. No, it is very much false. Personal selling is a pretty expensive way of promotion. So your answer is statement 1 is true and statement 2 is false. Coming to identifying the wrong combination, students, advertising is impersonal, true. Personal selling is flexible, very much true. Sales promotion is long-term incentive, अभी बात करते हैं इस पे. And public relations is company's image, true. So the wrong combination is sales promotion. इसमें क्या गलती है? Sales promotion is not long-term incentive. Sales promotion is a short-term incentive. जैसे कि discount, rebate, एक के साथ एक free, quantity gift. These are some sales promotion techniques. So your answer is the wrong combination is 3. Coming to some extra questions. Of course, students, you need to answer this in the comment section. Under which concept the companies push for the betterment of quality of their in efforts for marketing? तो quality of their product किसकी बात हो रही है? Quality की. Production, product, marketing और selling. Dash is that part of brand that is given legal protection. Is it brand name, status mark, brand mark or trademark? So you can write your answers in the comment section. I'll be writing the correct answer after your answers. Thank you, students. All the best for your exams. And EcoVisionary is also providing coaching for business studies, eco and pol science. If you want to join, you can contact us on the given numbers 9953682860 or 9891203546. All the best. Take care.